Hello, Caravan of Love here. For all of you Trump supporters, please don't take me wrong, okay? However, I have a message that needs to be delivered, okay? Do you know that back in the 1800s and even further before that, they knew that there would be a president named Trump, okay? Why? Because there are so many documents that proves it. And the Bible is one of them, okay? You know, this page is about discovering names and their meanings, all right? That's what I do. I tell you about things that's going on through names and words, all right? Well, let me get back to the point. You see, Donald Trump name, his surname was not originally Trump. It was Trump. Yes, a German derivative name, okay? You see, his father, his great-grandfather name, his grandfather name was Drump, D-R-U-M-P-F. But however, he changed it to Trump, okay? You know what a Trump is? Well, you may have to do some research, but I'm going to tell you, a Trump needs supporters, correct? The people who will cheer for him, okay? That means you, the supporters, you are the TRUM-PETS. The TRUM-PETS? Have you ever heard that word before? Of course you have. The trumpets will sound and bring out the message that either a war will start or, you guessed it, God is speaking, okay? I didn't know how to tell you this, but you've been governed to believe that you are a follower. Caravan of love. Loving myself more and more. And you should be doing the same. Thank you for joining. See you next time. Bye-bye.